We were asked to review these BSI bowling ball bags, as I have two bowlers who have been in bowling for quite a long time. And so the one compliment we got right away in using these bags is where could these other kids get them? Because they absolutely loved the colors. And I have two boys and they didn't mind either color. They thought they were great. They seem to stack up pretty similar to other bowling ball bags that my kids have had. Nice sturdy bottom, the wheels, work great. The handles are the right length. You could use the shoulder strap if you wanted to. You have the holes in the center of each compartment that keeps that bowling ball secure. Now, these didn't come with any toppers, so they're just the bag itself. So then here's the boys rolling their balls out. They're going to be doing some bowling practice. Like you can see, works pretty good. They unzip well. The balls seem to fit in there good. Here's their lineup. It's crazy to me how many bowling ball bags they have. But they get a lot of use, and they're very happy with them. And like I said, they love the fun colors. That's probably one of their favorite features about these bags.